In this video, we will see simple ways to fix QuickBooks Error H202. Here I am trying to open my QuickBooks Company file, known as a QBW, and you can see that I'm getting the error code H202. This error can occur when trying to enable multi-user mode in QuickBooks. There can be various reasons for this error, like Number 1, when the connection between the server and the QuickBooks application is blocked. Number 2, incorrect posting configuration settings. Number 3, damaged network data file. Number 4, it could be due to a damaged company file. Number 5, missing or damaged QuickBooks components. We're going to have a look at the 4 methods by which we can fix this error. Method 1. Restart QuickBooks services on the server. Open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key plus R. In the Run window, type services.msc and click OK. Find QuickBooks DXX, XX being the QuickBooks version, and check its status. It should be running. If not, then double-click on it. In the Properties window, set the startup type as Automatic, and then click the Start option. In the same window, click on the Recovery option. Select Restart the service from the first failure, second failure, and subsequent failures. Click Apply and then OK. Now find and repeat the same steps for restarting QBCF Monitor service. Method 2. Enable the host multi-user access. Open the QuickBooks application. Click the File menu and then click the Utilities option. Click Host Multi-User Access. The dialog box appears asking you to confirm, so click on Yes. Method 3. Use the QuickBooks File Doctor tool. To use this tool, first download and install the QuickBooks Tool Hub. Once done, launch the tool. Click on the Company File Issues tab. Click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor. In the QuickBooks File Doctor window, click on the affected QBW file. Next, type your QuickBooks admin credentials and click on Next, and wait for the repair process to complete. Method 4. Repair your file using Stellar Repair for QuickBooks. Stellar Repair for QuickBooks helps you to repair corrupted QBW files and is capable of recovering the QBW file components. It is highly recommended by QuickBooks ProAdvisors and Consultants. Stellar Repair for QuickBooks supports all versions of QuickBooks from 2007 to 2024. Click on Free Download from here and take a trial to fix your corrupt QBW files and recover your important data. This is the main interface of the software. You can either browse for your file or you can click on Find, and the software will find them for you. This is my problematic QBW file. Now I'm going to select it and click on Next. Now I have to give the QBB, that is the QuickBooks backup file. You can use the last working backup you have of your problematic file. If you have it, then great, but if you don't have it, don't worry, just skip it. Click Repair to start the repair process. This message confirms that the repair process has been completed successfully. Clicking OK displays a preview of recoverable data in the repaired file. As you can see, that file data can be viewed and is in a readable form. Let's save the file by clicking on the Save option. Here, select the desired location where you want to save the repaired file. Now, click on Save. This message confirms that the repaired file is saved at the desired location and the path is displayed. Let's check the repaired file. As you can see here, the file data is readable, and the QuickBooks error does not exist anymore. These are the simple steps to fix the QuickBooks Error H202.